Hello everyone. I'm so glad you have joined me today. Today I'm doing another birthday card, and this time I decided to make a masculine version. We have females and we have males. We need for both. So for my card, I'm going to use the translucent florals, the sentiment, and the leaf. And the leaf is just basically for the inside and the envelope. I have my Misty Moonlight ink. I have my Countryside Inn DSP, and this is 2 5/8 by 4 5/8. I have a piece of Misty Moonlight that's 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. I have a piece of white for my sentiment, and it is 1 1/4 by 2 1/4. I have a piece of white that is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. I have a piece of Misty Moonlight that's 4 by 5 1/4. And I have my card base, 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored at 4 1/4. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, oh, you know what? I didn't grab an embossing folder. I'm going to emboss that background. Hang on, because that's my next step. I need to get an embossing folder and emboss this. Okay, I pulled out my exposed brick one. I thought that would be good for the guys. So let me take my double-sided tape, and I'm going to put this on here so we can put it on our card. So, do you have a lot of birthdays coming up? I just had Jake's birthday, and my next birthday coming up is for Miss Rennie, who is in February. And I got a new stamp set for her when I went to the Stamp Scrap and Art Tour. All right, where's my pokey tool here so I can get this off? Let me burnish my ends. All right, let me see here. Get these off. All right, there we go. All right, now I'm going to put this on here. And it's a very slight border. I may need to go to a little bit bigger. I'm using 1/8 of an inch. I think I need to use 3/16. I'll have to play with that. Ooh. And I got my thing fixed, so it's going to take it a bit, and then it'll get itself worked out. All right. Let me tighten it just a little. There. Better. All right. This way. All right. Now, this goes on here. I love my ATG gun. It's just perfect. All right, this is going to go on with my double-sided tape because it's going on top of an embossed panel. Oops, wrong scissors. Don't want to use my good scissors to cut tape. Use yucky scissors. After Remy's birthday, I have Zoe's birthday in March. And then I don't have any other birthdays until September, when both of my girls have their birthday. All right. Let me get my backs off here. This is a fun sketch to play with. Can make great guy cards. All right, now for this one, I'm going to stamp my sentiment. All right. And I'm going to stamp it to the side. And I'm going to pull in my scrap paper so I can see if I put this straight down. Yes. Okay. I'm going to stamp it to this side because I'm going to flag the other end. But I want it on my mat straight. There we go. All right. And then I'm going to take my scissors. And I'm going to go up about a ½ inch. And then cut over. Hope I didn't go over far enough. And then I'll cut the other side. There. And you know, that needs some sponging. All right, so I've got a sponge dauber. And I'm going to add some ink on the edges. Okay, I think it looks better now. This I'm going to put up here, and I'm going to put it on with dimensionals. If I can find where I threw my dimensionals over here. There they are. They were underneath my die set. All right, let's get some more. And I think I'm going to look for some gems for this. I have one of the Tinsel Gems, either the 3-pack or the 4-pack, has Misty Moonlight in it. So I can add some Misty Moonlight gems. All right, let me get this on here. Right about there. And I'm going to pull it back some so we see that blue. Okay, and it's the Tinsel Gems 3-pack. It has the Misty Moonlight. Oh, I've got one here that I can use and get rid of this. All right. I'm going to put it right about there. Then I need some little ones. Let's see, you know, I'm going to use 3 big ones because I got plenty of big ones. And I always run out of the little ones. And there's the birthday card. And as I said, I was going to use the leaf for the inside in the envelope. Now make sure you head over to Vicky's channel, the link is below, and see what she came up with. I'm certain she did a masculine card. She does a lot of masculine cards. Thanks for visiting me today. I hope you enjoyed today's idea. Make sure you head over to Vicky's to watch her, see what she did. She does a lot of masculine cards. Her link is below. Thanks for watching. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.